Thank you.
Okay, it's
Hello, everyone. Hello, everyone. Good evening to all of you. Good morning, Shravan sir. Good evening, Geeta ma'am. Thank you for joining. I'm so happy that you are joined today on time and chatting in before I coming. Okay. This is like same when teacher has came and people are shouting like that. Okay, no problem. So today, on behalf of our Nivedita, I'm going to host this session. Hope you are all waiting for it. Yeah. So what I want you all. So I have not prepared anything, but I'll make you at least go to some different place from here. So hope that I am audible properly. And yeah, thank you. So welcome to Nivi's world to all of you. And today I'm going to say just my expressions. Today Teju's expressions will be there. So what I'm going to speak about is the day when we all spent together, and that has happened recently. Our top monthly celebrations. From the beginning to the end, the emotion we carried out, the way we enjoyed together, having fun. So, hope I will take you to the crest again. And I'll clearly picture Geeta ma'am and Shravan sir what has happened on that day. Okay? So, since it is my expression, so I'm going to tell on. I am an author of this story today. So, me, actually, it has happened. Anna told us to come before time, but we took another 20 minutes and we were rushed into crushed, saying that okay, people were angry on us because of late, but we are in very hurry mood, and we joined. I just opened the door of crest. Then with that hurry mood, I just seen the first face is Kranti. You know how soothing it is. Then I just seen Kranti, then I gave my shake hand to him. That was so warm and very good welcome from him. And it's so happy to see the new faces again. Then Vinayana is shouting, "You are all latecomers, you have to do some task." Then okay, ready, because and we all wanted to come into party mood, right? So okay, we are ready for it. Then Nive told us, "You all should dance now, at least for one step." Then I said, "How a dance can be punishment, right? Give me something different." Then, "No, you all should dance." అని వినయ్ అన్నారనమాట. So okay, then I in between we started doing it, and I few steps we started, and later to get into all party mood, all then I joined to all my juniors, new KU friends, Sandhya, Sangeeta, Lavanya, Triveni, Nikesh. Oh my God, that was amazing, really, seeing everyone at the first moment. And later in that mood, everybody give at every. I of the uh, all the stage. So I suddenly Apurva came to me, Akka, Vimala ma'am is went for. I sat beside her, and Vinayana came to me. So he said, "I just want. We were planning to give us birthday party for Sunanda ma'am. So she was, but she going to be present virtually too." And we are very happy. Okay, that's how. What now? What should I do? Then Anna said, "You have to act as a virtual Sunanda ma'am." Oh my God, that's a super opportunity. I was like, just in a hurry mood, just in a mixed feelings, all that. But he said, okay, let me act. Then I was very enthusiastic to cut cake on behalf of our Sunanda ma'am. So he called, and I was like so pleased, giving such an opportunity and having that fun. And you are, I said to Nivedita and Apurva, who are the organizers, please don't tell me any plannings that you are going to do, because I want to see completely, uh, experience the new thing what you have gone done. So I took a gift on behalf of her, and took uh, so many gift, also cake, and so happy for that. Thank you for giving me that opportunity. And to all my friends like Pavani and Chandan, I think they also enjoyed it very well. So that was the monthly celebrations happen, you know. So what comes again? It is our accomplishments. You know, there are so many things like, it has been long gap for me to talk about my juniors and what they are doing, what are the plannings they are going to be. It was very fortunate to me to know so much big list that my juniors are doing along with KU. It's awesome. And introducing everyone, every KU student is like, they are unique, completely unique. So calling Sangeeta, Sandhya, they were talking, and everyone feels so excited. And when Kranti came to the on stage, I was like, oh, blushing. And he was talking with, come, Akka నాకు భయమేస్తుంది, Akka నాకు భయమేస్తుంది. Was so cute while he was talking, and when he came and gave me shake hand, completely sweat, total shivering. And I enjoyed a song from Nikesh. I think that was the first time I was listening to that song, and that lyrics that really touched my heart. Me and Shivani sitting together and thinking, what we are doing, why we are not learning like this. Wow, this energy from Kranti and Nikesh, Sangeeta, Sandhya, that was so amazing. And we felt like, yeah, we have to do a little more again. Then I was, later we had our own, the king, our Tarun. Oh my God, sir, you cannot imagine the way he acted. He's just like anchor Pradeep. Exactly, he dropped in. He's respecting everyone, approaching everyone. Each individual, he's giving respect and saying that they are good at this. They are good at this. Nikesh is good at seeing something. Kranti is good at here. How beautiful that! How I feel like another Shravan sir, because you know me and Shivani always used to think that we have to explore our juniors, like, okay, juniors Kichapali and about ESL, I have to drag all of these people to in. So I took in the beginning two of juniors, తర్వాత తను ఒక two juniors ని తీసుకుంది. But it is all happened because of you said, and we are also wish for it. But coming to Tarun, it's not like that. He's completely different college, different atmosphere he's having, and he's choosing the people from different branches. And how can he collect all those people? Oh, I'm so glad. 8 members is nothing. It's a very, very great number. See, handling two people at the beginning, we got very tired. But Tarun, I am hats off to you. And even that, అప్పుడు కూడా మీకు చేశాను. Even now too. So happy for you, Tarun. And seeing that too, all 8 people and Nivedita and our beauty Vinayana all together in one picture is awesome. Their smiles are, why they are awesome? Because there is a true love on each other, true care, and there is an always respect on each and every one. The whenever I go to Crest, I feel like it's my family. Now I am going to do whatever I want to do. I acted like very childish. I thought whatever I wanted, I did it there. So that's the freedom I get from it. And all my friends hugging Sangeeta, Sandhya, Lavanya, Triveni, and all these people giving me new energy. And it 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 doesn't give you that happy if you are in a five-star hotel all the way sitting alone. But the happiness I got from all these people while hugging them, talking with them, I don't know. I am already billionaire. So meet the new billionaire, okay? So I'm so happy and glad that meet. Then okay, all this happening, but our tummy doesn't stop us to for doesn't stop, right? So we have to do something for it. So the aroma from the kitchen is always exciting. So me along with Deepak, we had non-veg, and all others. Many of them are having veg. Okay, no problem, but we enjoyed ourselves. uh, and one of the most important person should, now I'm going to say the name of our gentleman, Mr. Ian sir. Oh, Ian girl. Okay, don't tell again. He will give me fine. So I'm so happy for him. You know how great his heart is. A man of down to earth. He took Triveni's hand also because it doesn't feel something I'm doing for others. He felt like he owned it. Vimala ma'am and Ayan Garu is the biggest asset added there. Truly, we enjoyed him having with us. Even they told they I think they have slept at 4:30 a.m. and they came here for crust. So commendable because I felt the only love in the crust, that little flourishing like this. Who will get such an happiness? Who can get such a true happiness? And I'm feeling the first time I felt that I am the billionaire and I am the most happiest person there. So that is how we had our lunch. The most important session I want to say you, we had plenty of pictures. Individual for each and every individual we have two, and group we had, I don't have its count also. And our AN was there, he took many selfies. Okay, so in that meanwhile, we had a dance session and nobody bothered about our dance. We enjoyed our dance. Nobody, everybody is busy in taking pictures, and we danced ourselves. We had fun ourselves. Then we started coming to the most important thing is top up accomplishments. you know it has been so much gap I felt, but the gap is filled the entire day. I was connected with everyone, uh, but the accomplishments, one of the important person I would like to say is Vivika. She admired me entire day. How beautiful the appearance, the way of talking. I felt like amazing. She was telling that I am starting the company of Top Publications. The confidence in her is even I didn't possess in my first year. Even in second year also, she is that confident. The way she is given speech, everything. And the another person we admired is Danush. Danush, you are amazing, whether you have here or not. But I felt like the presence of you is amazing because the when because we were seeing you from the beginning, right? Like the he's not able to speak in the phone too. but he is giving very good speech in a very good English in the trust. Amazing. And the same with Chandan. Say Rohit is amazing all the time. He's a center of attraction. So all of them, right? Deepti, her background work is her patience, her background was super. Apurva and Nikhil, they have portrayed like what does it? I forget. Sorry, Apu and Nikki's. That is another amazing thing. So many things happen. I think the people who have missed, you are already missed. So this is the entire day, like up to 4 p.m. We were in a mood of happiness. I don't know how can we pay for it, but this is really commendable. No, no words for it. The moment we had fun, and this is all because of our mentors. Thank you so much, uh, Meena ma'am, Geeta ma'am, and Shawan sir, and all our mentors, An. Because of you believed in us, and we gathered there. Prakash sir, thank you so much. Um, the appreciation from you is always helping us to reach our destinations, and I hope this is going to be happen all the time, and we are going to be our best. And as Nivi says, I'm ending with her expression, her statement. We are not hoping for the best, we are going to be the best. So this is got I have taken my 20 minutes of time, and I want to listen the comments from all of you. Over to you now. So who wants to take the first chance? You should give the first chance. Okay. Otherwise it will be on Prime. Geeta ma'am.
What did you say? It'll be on Prime?
That means Premier. I'm saying that if you are not rising at the top first, you should pay for it.
Okay. Okay. Glad I raised my hand then. I don't have to pay for it
Yeah.
now. Thank you for painting such a beautiful picture, Teju. I really enjoyed it. I felt like I was there. Of course, I was watching the first part. I was there. Shravan sir was messaging me on the side. We were messaging each other, and he said, "I have to sleep, but I don't want to sleep. I don't want to go." You know, I was doing the same thing. I was just silently enjoying and soaking in the energy. But how you described just now for us, you did a fantastic job of describing. Yes, because
I just
lunch we missed lunch and post lunch, right? So thank you.
I feel I just want all you to take the moment of crust, and you are all living in crust.
Yes, we were there with you when you were talking about it. We were at Crest. Thank you,
Wow,
Teju.
thank you.
Very nice.
Thank you so much. Next, Kranti.
Yes, Akka. Thank you, Akka, for reminding again about our crust party. Yes, Akka. Every time we all speak in virtual or in phone calls, but meeting all of you is something special. Okay, on that day, even we came yesterday and we taken rest for up to 3 p.m. లేచాక కూడా మొత్తం మేము క్రస్ట్ పార్టీ గురించి మాట్లాడుకుంటున్నాం హౌ వి ఆల్ ఎంజాయ్డ్ అండ్ హౌ వీఆర్ టాకింగ్ అబౌట్ ఈచ్ పర్సన్ ఆర్ ఎనీ హౌ వి స్పెండ్ ఎట్ దే వాట్ వీ లెంట్ లైక్ దట్ అసలు ఇంకెక్కడ ఎంజాయ్ చేసాం అండ్ వీఆర్ ప్లానింగ్ అబౌట్ అవర్ నెక్స్ట్ పార్టీ టు ఫ్రమ్ ఎస్టర్డే ఓన్లీ ఎస్ బికాస్ వి థాట్ దట్ అంటే వీఆర్ హియర్ బట్ వీఆర్ కనెక్టెడ్ టు దే అంటే మేము ఇక్కడ ఉన్నాం కానీ అక్కడ వాళ్ళతో కనెక్ట్ అయ్యాం వి అంటే అక్కడ ఎంజాయ్ చేసినంత హ్యాడెంట్ ఫెల్ట్ లైక్ దట్ హియర్ వి ఎంజాయ్ అప్ టు నౌ వీ ఎంజాయ్డ్ ఇయర్, బట్ ఇక్కడ కూడా ఎంజాయ్ చేస్తున్నాం కాబట్టి అక్కడ ఎంజాయ్ చేసినంత ఫీల్ మాకు రాలేదు. అంటే చా డే మొత్తం ఫుల్ హ్యాపీగా, ఫుల్ ఎనర్జెటిక్గా ఫ్రమ్ స్టార్టింగ్ నుంచి ఎండింగ్ వరకు. లైక్ చంద్రన్న అండ్ ధనుష్ అన్న కేమ్ అండ్ రిసీవ్డ్ అస్ ఎట్ 4 AM, అండ్ దెన్ దే టుక్ దేర్ టు వివిక్తాస్ ఫ్యామిలీ. అసలు వివిక్త వాళ్ళ ఫ్యామిలీ అయితే దే దే కేర్డ్ అస్ ఎలాట్. అంటే ఆ ఆంటీ మార్నింగ్ అప్పుడే 4 o'clock లేచి ఆంటీ వచ్చి చాయ్ తాగుతారా, కిందికి రండి, డోంట్ ఫీల్ లైక్ న్యూ హౌస్, యూ కెన్ వి ఆల్ ఆర్ వన్ ఫ్యామిలీ అన్నట్టుగా. నో ఆంటీ వి ఓన్ డ్రింక్ టీ అని అంటే ఆంటీ మళ్ళీ వెంటనే కిందికి వెళ్ళొచ్చి మళ్ళీ బోన్విట తీసుకొచ్చి బోన్విట తాగండి, బోన్విట బాగానే ఉంటుంది అని. అండ్ ఈవెన్ వివిక్త టు had cared us a lot. Maybe I want to share this with you. We మేము మార్నింగ్ నైట్ అంతా అక్కడ పడుకోలేదు. సో మార్నింగ్ అక్కడ వెళ్ళాక వివిక్త వాళ్ళ ఇంటికాడ ఫ్రెష్ అయ్యి, సో వి థాట్ టు మీ తరుణ్ అండ్ నికేష్ వెంట్ పైకి వెళ్ళి, అంటే వివిక్త కూర్చుంటుంది అందులో ఇప్పుడు కాల్లో కూడా, ఆ రూమ్కి వెళ్ళి వి థాట్ టు సాట్, బట్ అన్ఫార్చునేట్లీ వి వెంట్ ఇన్ టు స్లీప్. Vivikta came, maybe she's calling for us 5 minutes, I think so. 5 minutes నుంచి పిలుస్తుంటే we are thinking that she's calling in our dream, but we are not. లేచాక చూస్తే ఏంటి వివిక్త పిలుస్తున్నట్టు, టిఫిన్ రెడీ చేసాం వచ్చి తిందాం రండి అని అంటుంది. సో షీ వెయిటెడ్ ఫర్ 5 minutes, I think so. లేచాక అందరం నవ్వుకున్నామంట. We all thought that you are calling us in dream like that.
లేదు క్రాంతి, నేను అప్పుడే వచ్చానులే, పర్లేదు.
క్రష్కి వెళ్ళాక అక్కడికి వెళ్ళేసరికి మళ్ళీ వినయ్ అన్నతో అంటే ఫస్ట్ టైం వినయ్ అన్నని కలవడం. అంటే వినయ్ అన్న అంటే ఒక రెస్పెక్ట్, గ్యాంగ్ లీడర్, అంటే కొంచెం భయం కూడా వినయ్ అన్న అంటే. అండ్ నిజం చెప్పాలంటే ఐ వెయిటెడ్ ఫర్ తేజ రేఖ రావట్లేదు. ఇక పార్టీ స్టార్ట్ అయిపోయింది, కూర్చున్నా. సడన్లీ తేజ రేఖ వచ్చి, అంటే నిజంగా తేజ రేఖ వచ్చి ఫస్ట్ సెకండ్ నాకే ఇచ్చింది. సెకండ్ ఇచ్చి నా పక్కనే కూర్చుంది. ఐ ఫెల్ట్ వెరీ హ్యాపీ, అంటే చాలా హ్యాపీ అనిపించింది. బట్ ఆఫ్టర్నూన్ కొంచెం నేను డల్ అయినా కూడా ఐ యాక్సెప్ట్ దట్ ఐ ఎంజాయ్డ్ మార్నింగ్ అలాట్. థ్యాంక్ యూ అక్క.
అంతేనా?
ఇంకా చాలా ఉందన్న, రేపు చెప్పాలి కదా, మళ్ళీ రేపటి క్వశ్చన్ దాచుకున్నా, రేపు చెప్పాలి కదన్నా.
So tomorrow they are giving a talk at the KU students, all the 8.
Oh, they don't know, sir. Sorry, sir, I revealed that. Sorry, sir, I revealed that.
No. It's not a secret.
That means we are going once again to Krasta.
Yes.
Yes, akka. That's trailer not covering all the
launched on top expression by Tejasrekha. Trailer launched on the event by top expression.
Okay, this is Teju's expressions. Tomorrow you will see KU's expressions. Okay, next. Raise your hand. Dhanush, you want to talk?
No. They stolen words from me. They have already stolen. It's not time for me.
No, you should. You are the rocking star in the crest, no?
Starting కెళ్ళి ఇదే కదా అన్నది. స్టార్టింగ్ నుండి అసలు. Okay. Just in one sentence, I have no words.
Abba. Okay.
Really, I am speechless with that.
Okay, so I would like everyone to speak at least one word, because okay.
What I want to speak means.
Speak it.
ఏమన్నా హెల్ప్ ఏముంది? ఇద్దరు ఉన్నారు రూమ్ లో, ఏం మాట్లాడాలి చెప్తలేదు.
బాగా చిల్గా ఉన్నారు కానీ yesterday ఆ చిల్ గురించి మొత్తం చెప్పేసేయండి అన్న.
Day was so long such that when I woke up at 3 and I slept at 1. Day was completely long and ఫస్ట్ అంటే చెప్పని మీరు చూడని చెప్తా. ఫస్ట్ యాక్చువల్లీ మార్నింగ్ ఆటోస్ బుక్ అవ్వట్లేవు అన్నమాట ఇక్కడ నుండి సిగ్నల్ రైల్వే స్టేషన్కి వెళ్ళడానికి. అక్కనేమో ఆల్రెడీ వాళ్ళు స్టేషన్లో ల్యాండ్ అయ్యారు. 5 minutes పక్కనే సీతాఫలం మండి అని అన్నా, ఇంకా ఇక్కడ ఆటో బుక్ కాలేదు. సో ఇక్కడ నుండి ఎన్సీసీ వరకు స్పీడ్లో లగెత్తినామంటే కుక్కలు మాతోటి, మేము కుక్కలతోటి ఉస్మానియాలో పొద్దున మార్నింగ్ 5కి అయితే ఎవరో ఒకరు వస్తూ ఉంటారు అనమాట. కానీ మార్నింగ్ అది 4 కదా, 3:45, 3:30, 3:45కి నిర్మానుష్యంగా లైట్లు ఇంజనీరింగ్ కాలేజ్ వైపు ఏముండే అన్నమాట. సో యాక్చువల్ ఆ గేట్ వైపు లగెత్తుతుంది. అండ్ మాకు తగ్గట్టు ఆటో ఇంకా స్లో అన్నమాట. అక్క ఇక్కడనే అక్క ప్లాట్ఫామ్ దొరకట్లేదు, నడుచుకుంటూ వస్తున్నాం అన్న టైంకి ఆటో అప్పుడే మెల్లగా స్టార్ట్ అయింది అనమాట. అసలు మార్నింగ్ అబద్ధాలతోనే మొదలైంది నిన్న. ఐ డోంట్ నో ఆ అబద్ధాలు అనేది ఎందుకు ఆడినో తెలియదు కానీ ఆడేసిన ఇంకా. సో దట్ వాజ్ రియలీ ఎ గ్రేట్ మార్నింగ్ వేర్ ఇన్ దట్ మచ్ కోల్డ్ me and Chandan was sweated, and that's the great sweat I have enjoyed. And finally, yeah, the day, and అంటే ఇంకా రైల్వే స్టేషన్ వాళ్ళని ఎక్కించేటప్పుడైతే ఊగుతున్నాం అన్నట్టు, డాన్సింగ్ టు అండ్ ఫ్రో ఆ నిద్ర మొత్తులో. ట్రైన్ ఎప్పుడు వస్తా, అనౌన్స్మెంట్ ఎప్పుడు వింటామా అన్నట్టు ఊగుతున్నాం అన్నట్టు. అందరూ అదే ఐ హ్యావ్ సమ్ ఫోటోస్ హూ హ్యాస్ స్లెప్ట్ సంథింగ్ లైక్ ఆకలి అన్నం ఎరగదు, నిద్ర సుఖం ఎరగదు కదా, దానికి తగ్గట్టు పడుకుంటారు పాపం నిన్న. ఆ ఫొటోస్ ఉన్నాయి. సో అవి కూడా ఒక 2 minutes నిద్ర తీసి, గాఢమైన నిద్ర 1 minute వస్తుందంటే అవే నిదర్శనం. అవి కూడా ఇవ్వబడతా. ఇంకా మేమే ఇట్లా అంటే అసలు ఇంకా కేయూ వాళ్ళకి అసలు నిద్ర లేదనుకుంటా. ట్రైన్ జర్నీ నేను చాలాసార్లు ఎక్స్పీరియన్స్ చేసిన. పడుకున్నట్టే ఉంటాం కానీ పడుకోము, రెస్ట్ తీసుకున్నట్టే ఉంటాం కానీ మత్తులో ఉంటాం అన్నమాట. దట్ ఈస్ ద grace of that train journey which I have experienced, and I have all that memories. I'll share with you soon if possible. Ivi behind the screen. Yeah, thank you.
ఇందా అసలు మీరు వెళ్ళేటప్పుడు కూడా యూ ఆల్ టుక్ నో దెన్. సో మీరు మళ్ళీ ఒకసారి డిన్నర్ తినిపించి వెళ్ళారు కదా. అండ్ మార్నింగ్ sir, how could you explain this patience of these guys? మార్నింగ్ నుంచి నైట్ వెళ్ళే వరకు చూసుకున్నారు అండ్ వాళ్ళు రావడం. That's such a beautiful relation. Is I think we cannot find even families too.
Yeah. First time for Kranti raised hand. So then after I will raise my hand.
ఎస్ అక్క, అంటే మీరు చెప్పింది ఎస్ అక్క. అంటే ఈవెన్ ఫ్యామిలీ వాళ్ళు ఉన్నా కూడా మేబీ అంత కేర్ ఉండకపోవు. ధనుష్ అనే వాళ్ళు మార్నింగ్ 4 నుంచి నైట్ 12 వరకు. అన్నీ నైట్ 12 అప్పుడు ఇట్లా నిద్ర మబ్బులో ఉన్నా అని అంటున్నాడు కానీ నైట్ 12 వరకు కూడా మాతో ఎంజాయ్ చేస్తూనే ఉన్నాడు. ఐ డోంట్ నో, అంటే నేను రైల్వే స్టేషన్ వెళ్ళగానే పడుకున్నా 10 to 12. 12కి లేచేసరికి అన్నయ్య ఫుల్ ఎనర్జెటిక్ గా ఉన్నాడు. క్రెస్ట్ లో నేను పడుకోలేదు అక్క.
అంటే చందన్ క్రాంతి ఇద్దరు వైట్ షర్ట్ వేసిన కానీ మీకు ఎవరు కనవాలి. పడుకుంది చందన్, నా ఫ్రెండ్.
సో ఫనీ. అండ్ సార్ వీళ్ళందరూ ఆర్ట్స్ కాలేజ్ కూడా వెళ్ళారు. త్రివేణి తీసుకెళ్ళింది ఆర్ట్స్ కాలేజ్.
yes sir, త్రివేణి ఆర్ట్స్ కాలేజ్.
నైస్. We had a very good time and kada.
Yeah, so I have a point to add to all those points. Actually అంతా ఎక్స్ప్లెయిన్ చేసినట్టు నేను లేవక ముందు నుంచి నేను పడుకునే వరకు అసలు వీళ్ళు రూమ్లో లేరు. అంటే బై ద టైమ్ ఐ వేకప్ దే ఆర్ నాట్ ఇన్ మై రూమ్. సో లేచి చూసేసరికి సికింద్రాబాద్ రైల్వే స్టేషన్ ఉన్నారు. మళ్ళీ పడుకునేటప్పుడు కూడా 12:30కి పడుకున్నాను. ఈవెన్ దట్ టైమ్ దే డింట్ రీచ్ హాస్టల్. సో ఫ్రమ్ మార్నింగ్ టు ఈవినింగ్ సో ఒకటే అనుకోవాలి, అంటే దే ఆర్ కంటిన్యూస్లీ ట్రావెలింగ్ అండ్ షేరింగ్ హ్యాపీనెస్. సో ధనుష్ అండ్ Chandan or any other person or
small correction, Rohit. I have in our room for our story presentation and for future together meetups. You did not recognize.
Hey, you are there, man.
So nice, Dhanush.
And including what I observed, So during future together presentation, who are the presenters? We are on the screen in the room, and who are not on the who are not in the presenters list, they are with KU students. So they are with KU students at Arts College. So Valakala. And when our story presentation started, I think Madhu has joined presenters list, and Madhu wanted to participate together. So he came, and Chandan went to KU students. So Allah we divided and spent time with the KU students. So it's again,
Organization.
yes,
So
organization.
this is how the
That's how
leadership is.
teamwork comes into picture. So even in WhatsApp groups or in any other, we are involved in many other groups, but we can take part in any and keep on sharing messages. So it's all again teamwork. So it depicted yesterday.
Yes, yes. All the teamwork. Even I am speechless now. You are that's teamwork. That the way you showed all this care comes from the trust we have created on ourselves, the trust bond from our Topi self, and this is going to flourish all the time. I hope this meet have made you something again, going to the past and given some memories of it, and it's going to be off the time. If any, only 2 minutes. I just want to sing a song. I'm learning actually because everybody's saying dance. No, I just want to sing now. So, when you're high on emotion, when you're losing your focus, or you feel too exhausted to pray, don't get lost in the moment or give up when you closest. All you need is somebody to pray. It's okay not to be okay. So this is 2 lines I learned. I'm going to be singer also. Thank you for enjoying with me. So today's and still anyone? So myself is done. And 1 minute if you want to talk.